Okay, today I have a very special treat for you today. I'm at 1314 Beutel, new construction, Aspire Fine Homes, 1.699 million, Spring Valley Village, right outside of 610. This home is new construction, and this is a stunning, stunning home. Jacob's going to give you a tour in a moment, but this is one you got to stick around for. 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, new construction, just under 5,200 square feet, and I think a 10,880 square foot lot. New construction, completed. This home is so peaceful. We're in this wide open common area. You've got your entry, it leads into your kitchen. Not a shred of backsplash in here. It's all built-ins and windows and stone. And then of course you've got this open dining and open living out to sliding glass doors. Look at how the light hits this house. The way it's positioned, it's the middle of the afternoon, and even without the lights on, it would be bright, but not too bright. I feel so comfortable in this house. This just leads me to talk about how well that these developers and builders and architects plan out the layout of these homes so the natural light can come in. There's really a science to it. When I walked into this house, I'm in every house. I'm in all the houses. When I walked into this house, I said, holy night, they got it. They got this one. Laundry room upstairs and downstairs. Laundry room in your closet, stackable, just hidden, so you don't have to go upstairs and downstairs for your own stuff. Check out this video. Jacob, show these guys this house. Man, if you want to get in here, you call me. I'll speed to get down here just to see the house again. What a stunner. Aspire Fine Homes, 1314 Beutel. Hit it, Jacob.